Hello everyone, welcome to bestsub.tv. What's the most popular sublimation blanks these days? Yes, it's fidget spinner. Do you have a fidget spinner? Yes, I have one. I have more than one. Look this. Let's check one of them. It's a metal box for full protection and with a window for you to easily check what is designed inside. Let's open. You see the fidget spinner and the printing insert with individual PP bag. Let's take it out. This fidget spinner is full metal, not plastic. The weight is not too heavy, not too light. Just a good weight. The front side is flat for you to stick the printing insert, and the back side with a little curved in, which can fit your fingers well. Let's play. See? Dun, 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 dun. You see? It's the same design but with keychain. It's like a small fan, but there's no wind blow from it. Just like a fan. It's very interesting. If your custom is a little kind of, you can say this is just a keychain. And I'd like to keep my favorite with me. This is more easy for you to find it. Let's open all of them to see what designs we have. Check here. We have 9 designs with keychain and 9 designs without keychain. Same design but with keychain or without. You can choose either of them. The printing size is same for all of them. It's 1.7 centimeter. We have already printed our logo. You can print any logo as you like. Now we stick the insert to the sublimation paper and do transfer. Please be noted, for the sample batch this time, the protect film for this insert is already been removed. But from next batch, the protect film will be kept on this insert, same as phone cover inserts. We use tape to stick all the inserts in one paper. Here, we use our mate machine to do the transfer. We already set temperature at 180 and 45 seconds. Printing side face down. Always put another resistant paper to protect the image. When the machine temperature reaches to the target one, then we press the machine. Now it comes down. Let's see the effect. Now let's stick the insert to the fidget spinner. Remove the double sticker. These are really good fidget spinners. If you like this video, don't forget to go crazy on that like button and don't forget to ask us for more information. Thanks for watching. See you next time.